Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Among Us sure is taking a while to sign in error. If you see the sure is taking a while to sign in message in Among Us, the game is having trouble connecting to your account or the game service. First, you need to check your internet connection. In the top right corner, there's your profile. There's a notification bar, tap there and you need to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or the mobile data connection. Simply toggle off or toggle on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data as well and try switching the network between the cellular data or your Wi-Fi and then launch the game again of your Among Us. Or you can also restart the Among Us. Completely close the game and reopen it again, and temporary connection issue can often be fixed with a fresh launch. And you can also update the game. You can go to your app store and open to your Among Us app, and you can install any available Among Us updates. And if you find update icon, simply tap on the update. Or you can also restart your device. Restart your phone, tablet or computer to refresh network and account services, and disable the VPN or proxy. VPNs and proxy services can sometimes interfere with the game logins. If you have enabled VPN or proxy, turn them off and try it again. And this step usually fixes the sure is taking a while to sign in error and allow you to log in into Among Us normally. And that is it. That's how you can fix the Among Us sign in issue. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.